Another twist in the case of the man accused of killing his pregnant girlfriend on Saturday in Kellits, Clarendon. Protesters were out in their numbers in the community earlier today, raising doubts about the young man's guilt and questioning the accounts of his death. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Pain and grief grip the rural Clarendon village of Kellits. This time, grief for the death of Markland Hales, who is accused of killing his pregnant girlfriend, 21-year-old Tashika Mackay, sometime between Saturday night and Sunday morning. A small crowd gathered in the community on Tuesday, raising doubts about Markland's guilt and questions about his death. The police report on Monday that Markland hanged himself in his cell at the Lionel Town police station where he was being held. His mother, Claire Bailey, however, is not convinced he took his own life.
Oh, him fit himself inside. He have slippers and he have a white t-shirt. So all rope get inside there. That must something.
When you go lock up a person, you take out your shoes lace and you take off him belt. How he get caught in the finger himself? I don't want to find out.
They said they saw a red electric wire around Markland's neck, but getting to see his body when he died was a challenge. His mother said she and other relatives went to the Lionel Town police station at 10 Monday morning, and after inquiring about Markland, were told they should wait, which they did for about half hour.
Then afterward, we see the Jeep driving and the bike man, the bike officer. They went into the cell. Then the fat policeman that drive the van go into the cell, into the guard room. He take out a cutlass, and then he went in, go in at this cell. The man that tell us to wait, he take the cutlass from him, throw it one side. Then them go in at this cell. Take it. They lean the Jeep to the cell side, trying to put somebody in the Jeep. I don't know who is the person, but they tried to put somebody behind the driver's seat.
She said the body was moved to the back of the vehicle, and it was then that her sister jumped on the vehicle, looked, and confirmed that the body was that of Markland. The official police report today said about 11 Monday morning, the police went to serve Markland a meal when he was found with a white t-shirt wrapped around his neck, attached to a piece of red electric wire, which was used as a lever to flush the toilet. It said he was rushed to hospital where he failed to regain consciousness. But Markland's death aside, questions were also raised about whether the police had the right suspect.
Saturday night, I get to understand that the girl went home with the first baby daddy. Markland Hales did not sleep with that girl on the Saturday night because he was afraid of the first baby daddy. I try and call CJ, as you know him nickname. I call him and I don't stop calling till I get him. When I get him, him said to me, the woman wicked because the woman stab him and him not do it. And I know to God, see sun a shine, me know say I no CJ do it. But me say me know to God, I no CJ do it.
Other persons gathered to protest said Markland was a quiet person who hardly speaks.
He's a nice person, don't get trouble. He don't get trouble, he only talk. If he don't say something to him, he not nothing to say.
The protesters say while they grieve the death of Tashika, they also want justice for Markland. Indicom is investigating. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.